Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn 50 names of trees in Dinka language. Rin itim tongjang Dinka. 1. Chue, chue, tamarin. Manga, manga, mango. Teed, teed, mahogany. Nima, nima, neem tree. A chair, a chair, a chair. A gap, palm. Lang, lang. Chum, chum, chum. Quail, quail, quail. Ngap, 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 ngap. Lach, lach, lach. Kunyuk, kunyuk, kunyuk. Adot, adot, adot. Catch, catch, catch. Gumal, gumal, gumal. Pen, pen, pen. Achacha tree. Millet, millet, millet. Gorot, gorot, gorot. Yerbe, yerbe, yerbe. Ludo, ludo, ludo. Dong, dong. Paw, paw. Also called lalop, lalop. This scientific name Balanite aegyptiaca. Balanite aegyptiaca. Scientific name, but it's commonly called lalop. Kir, kir, kir. This is kir, not kir. Kir. That tree called kir. Akudi, akudi, akudi. Nyor, nyor. Abiay, abiay, abiay. Sycomoro tree. Lemon, 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 lemon. Owiu, 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 owiu. This is coat, 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 coat. That tree called coat. Jer, jer, jer. Patch, patch, patch. Rack, rack, rack. Roal, roal, roal. Dikit, dikit, dikit. Pip, pip, pip. Rit, rit, rit. Car, car, car. Nyakaral, nyakaral, nyakaral. Diot, 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 diot. Kem, kem, kem. Kedielwe in bichet wai kem. Kem. Apor mundit, apor mundit, apor mundit. Kurgot, kurgot, kurgot. Reel, reel. Nyor, nyorchol, nyorchol. Nyortit, nyortit. Alapap, alapap, alapap. A roll, a roll, a roll. This is what we call bamboo tree. Pai pai, pai pai, pai paya. Guapa, 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 guapa. Tick, tick, tick is called what? I forget the name in Dinka. Please write it for me in Dinka. Tick. Yenakan, the end by William Majak Dengdit. Dupyot Tongjang. This is the end. Dorniali Kawik Kuyania. Thank you very much. God bless you all. These are the common names in Dinka language, especially in Awil. Those who are from Awil, they know this one very well. Bye bye. I'm William.